Are you wondering if the Apple Watch Series 10 GPS 46mm in jet black aluminium with the black sport band is the right upgrade for your wrist? In today's review, we'll break down the design, features, pros, cons, and who should buy the Apple Watch Series 10 so you can confidently decide if it's worth it for your lifestyle, workouts, and productivity. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly clean, honest tech reviews. Design and display. First off, let's talk about design. The 46mm case size feels substantial yet lightweight with the jet black aluminium finish, giving a sleek, stealthy look that matches everything. You get Apple's new edge-to-edge LTPO OLED display, which is brighter outdoors, sharper for notifications, and has an always-on option with lower battery drain than previous generations. Features you'll love. The Series 10 steps up with faster processing, smoother navigation, and better Siri integration directly on your wrist. Health tracking. You get heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen, ECG, and advanced sleep tracking. New workout metrics. It can now track running power, advanced cycling, and swimming sessions with improved accuracy. Battery life. Up to 36 hours in low power mode, typically around 18 to 20 hours with normal use. WatchOS 11 gives you redesigned widgets, improved smart stacks, and advanced health insights. Pros. A stunning jet black look with a premium feel. A lightweight aluminium comfortable for all-day wear. Or advanced health tracking and emergency SOS features. A smooth performance with snappy app launches. A seamless integration with iPhone for notifications, Apple Pay, and music control. Cons. A battery life still requires daily or overnight charging for heavy users. A no native third-party watch face support. A GPS-only model means no cellular independence. A premium price tag. Who is this for? If you're an iPhone user wanting the best smartwatch for notifications, workouts, health tracking, and a premium minimalist look, the Apple Watch Series 10 is the top pick in 2025. If you have a Series 8 or older, the performance and display upgrades alone make it worth considering. Check the Apple Watch Series 10 here. Using this affiliate link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps us continue bringing clean, honest reviews. Question for you. What's your top use for an Apple Watch? Fitness tracking, notifications, or daily productivity? Drop your answer in the comments. If this review helped you, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly Apple device reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.